from one. All right, folks, so the nights are getting a little chilly. So, you know, Christmas is in the air, literally. So tonight is the perfect time to whip up the perfect cup of hot chocolate. And with the folks from DevCan giving us the recipe, we are good to go. Director Blake Widmer and manager Fabian Jackson are here with us. Gentlemen, good morning to you. Blake, please tell Fabian we said howdy. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning. Great. How are you?
Well, I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. This is Fabian.
And Fabian is good too?
Yeah, excellent.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about DevCan. You guys have been around for a good little while and you're doing such an amazing, amazing job. For the folks who are not familiar, can you tell us a little bit about the organization?
Sure, no problem. DevCan Coffee started at the Deaf School here in Kingston. It was first just learning about coffee for the fun of it. Really the problem that we're addressing is that deaf people aren't included. And so we really wanted to include deaf people in different aspects of life and create more opportunities for communication and professional development. So it's really 5 years now. Our business continues to grow and we're showing the hearing world that deaf people can work together with you. We don't have to be excluded from society, we can be included.
Yeah, and haven't you now also listed on the social stock exchange, am I right?
Yeah, we're very excited about that. We just got our grant that's helping us to grow our farm and our operational capacity through the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We're very excited for that.
Ooh, tell us a little bit more about that. Where's the farm and how is the growth going to happen? Are you looking at franchising all across Jamaica?
Yep, the farm is at the Deaf School in Knockpatrick, Manchester. We've planted some test seedlings about 3 years ago. And now through the Jamaica Stock Exchange, we're going to be able to double our land and go up to 3 acres of planted coffee.
Wow, so we're not running out of coffee from DevCan anytime soon.
Yep, that's right.
All right. So now you've gone from coffee into hot chocolate. What's that about, guys?
Right, so today we're thinking about doing something really special for Christmas. So we came up with a new recipe. We're going to do a few different ways. I'm going to share it with you this morning. It's mint mocha, and we're going to have a few different garnishes on top. One's going to have crushed candy canes on top. That one's like the best.
All right, well, let's get to it. We want to see how this is done. I hope there's some whipped cream involved. Is there whipped cream involved, Fabian?
Yes, I definitely have whipped cream for you, Simone.
Okay, well, let's do it, guys. Show us how this is done.
Okay, so first I'm going to get the mocha in here. Now I'm going to add the peppermint.
Okay.
So 2 pumps of each. Now I'm going to steam my milk.
Yeah, why do you guys steam the milk? I always find that very interesting.
So the mocha sauce is very thick. It needs something hot to be able to really properly melt it and dissolve it into the beverage.
I see. Thank you for that. Clarity gained. All right. Woo!
This is the steam power. Got to make sure it's nice and hot.
So Blake, is this already on the menu? And how's it going?
No, not yet to the public. So we're hoping after people see it today,
yeah,
we're going to have crowds coming in for this.
Yeah, I'm coming for one, I tell you that much.
It's going to be a special treat this Friday at Digicel for Digicel staff for a Christmas treat.
Okay.
So if anybody from Digicel is watching, they can look forward to it on Friday.
Perfect. All right, where are we at now?
So the milk is steamed. It's getting ready to pour it.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Now we're going to add the marshmallow. It's a toasted marshmallow.
Can somebody, is there a delivery service?
Is there a delivery service? I'm sure we can call someone.
I'm trying to figure out.
Now the whipped cream for you, Simone.
Yes.
Whipped cream coming up right here.
Oh, yum. Delicious.
Now a little chocolate drizzle.
Chocolate. Woo.
And the best part of all, the crushed candy cane.
Yep. Yep. Recipe looks perfected. And you're going to put a candy cane in there as well?
Absolutely. As it melts, as you drink it, it starts to dissolve even more mint flavor into the hot chocolate. So as you get down to the bottom, the best mint flavor is at the bottom.
That looks delicious. I can see the whipped cream mustache on the top of my lip just now as I dive into that. So you say this will be available as at Friday? Am I right, Blake?
Well, it'll be available at Ragamuffin Coffee Bar here on Lady Musgrave Road.
Okay.
And then for anybody who works at Digicel, it's going to be a special staff treat on Friday
for
staff at Digicel.
So those are the only two locations, Ragamuffin and at Digicel?
Correct.
Okay, and how long is it going to be available for? Is it just for Christmas?
Yep, just a Christmas seasonal.
You sure about that? Because after people drink that now, they're going to want to order it all the time.
Well, you'll have to give the customers what they want. So if they tell us they want it more, we'll give it to them.
I want to know if you're headed into DEFCON T2.
Yeah, actually, I'm glad you asked that. We just started experimenting with our coffee farm in Manchester. As we're processing the coffee beans, we decided we want to save the coffee skin from the cherry of the coffee. And you can dry the coffee cherry, the pulp, and make it become a tea. And then you can make what's called Cascara tea. You just brew it simply with about 40 grams of the coffee cherry pulp with hot water. We just made it last week and it's delicious. So we're thinking about starting to bottle that. It's a very healthy drink. It's full of antioxidants and we're hoping that people will like it.
Innovation. See, we're thinking on the same wavelength. I have to big up you guys. You're doing an amazing job. Thank you for what you bring to the landscape and thank you for what you bring to Jamaica. You guys are really a beacon of everything that's good about what's going on with our productivity sector. And we wish you all the best, not just for the season, but beyond. Thank you very much, Blake. Thank you, Fabian.
Thank you so much.
I feel like I need to find a way to get that hot chocolate up here. How do I do that? By the time we get it, it's going to be cold chocolate. So I'm going to have to go to Ragamuffin and get mine specially made. Gentlemen, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Blake Widmer, Director, DEFCON Coffee, and Fabian Jackson, Barrister with DEFCON as well. Cookies too? They make cookies too? No man, that's not right. And look on these cookies. Guys, look at this. This is like a cookie pizza. Wale, look at this. At the shot? Cheese and crime. Look there. Soon come here, man. It's a breakfast, mister. Soon come.